Assalamu alaikum. Here is the construction update for this week. Alhamdulillah, carpentry contractors started hanging some of the doors. The drywall finishers are working on the final coat and sanding down to get ready for paint that is supposed to start this weekend. The steel stairs were installed at the end of last week and poured with concrete early this week. Electrical contractors installed most of the lights at the lower level, had them energized, and are working on emergency wall pack lighting. The roofing contractor installed the skylights this week and is working on walking mats on the roof to the rooftop units. The plumbing contractor completed the gas piping to all the equipment in the building except for the gas line at the kitchen hood and is currently working on the rooftop units. Please continue donating as much as you can and support the project. Jazakallah khair for your support.